Abusian for me church munyina ema munyina kwa abasoronko edem baras media so abusian Kennedy Japan ene Kwabena Agyapong omone NPP NEC ede sie ni den omonko na I am Kennedy Japan and Kwabena Agyapong will be disqualified from this presidential flag bearership election. The entire mechanism. The entire mechanism and say I'm saying ma Kennedy Agyapong and Kwabena Agyapong release an MPP amanyo kodi ba bonten. I am ra and manage yan kind of say yan kind of say a contestant of the flag bearership no. Yan one kind of year. The woman say MPP for the program be by omo the release be by bontena omo chire yem fa ne say enema e wo say wunya ana say cost to ebe costo ansana what to me ababeye the contestant for the flag bearership program. First, yes, registration here 400,000 Ghana cedis. And we are what fight we know I was so filing forms so yeah 600,000 Ghana cedis. And to you we are you need to pay 4 million Ghana cedis to the party. I friend development program. I know the building the foundations of the party in the various constituency. Now I don't know and I'm BBB soon to buy you say Obi Ohwana on contribute to build the foundations of the party. Now, was sorry one day so person medi party na nim. The banasa e was say yenju se sika no. Na yem fanko grounds ho enko build ho. Said the beya. Eni panu nyina MPP for metimi aka bo na omoto abama. Na the woman say nyama Kwabena Agyapong ne Kennedy Agyapong. Omoko forms no omoko fere ye no. Omo ankenkan sembi no mu ye anti omo ho ase ye no mo fele forms no enti afo yo mo afele forms na wie no afei ena sabio no kura ewo mu na ba bontene se apart from the 400 and the 600 na obetua no u feli bibia wie a answer di udin ebeto ballot paper no so no e was say untua 4 million Ghana cedis direct into the coffers of the MPP. Sasem we na make ne Japan ne Kwabena Agyapong age trega omo adwa kura omo bu afukura anke ya me se Kennedy Agyapong ahwe ya omo disqualify no Kwabena Agyapong de si obi oye bema bia no omna so ba baji 4 million afri ne ho onfa ma won on tua hwe na me pese wuntie asema Kennedy Agyapong kae abra na yesi oye ne unity tobi ewo all the constituencies in the country. Yenti asema Kennedy Agyapong kan wo ne unity to akọ enra ase. Yewi a ne yeti de Kwabena Agyapong so kae. Na masanso abo ade ni bo nso asema o kae. Na ma obi wa kire me. Hwan ena fort no wone so. E MPP fo ena omo fort no anase Kwabena Agyapong ene Kennedy Agyapong ena omo redi MPP release ni ye ansana omo register said they are going to contest and as answer omo ko fele say they want to contest for the flag bearership program. Yen ko go take Kennedy Agyapong nsema okafa sa 4 million ehu asem ye we come back to the studio na ye tie de ewura Kwabena Agyapong so ekae yen wura momla sisia
Some natural letter
4 million
Ghana cedis. Responding na party now.
But was there anything like that?
There's something about development fee. Na income booklet. No, the mo say.
We saw almost the National Council is going to decide on the development fee.
Let's share the $20 million contract for 50 people, and we how much we What is here? We need to build the party. We cannot build the party if we resolve the party people. Here is also no we can say any party in Oh, me the agency over more than 12 applicants. Position Ojabo and this for the feeling. I'm TV. They say any NPP and these same people are coming to you. You will fear who says here. Don't sell yourself cheap. Also, young go polyball in Pakistan, also be with also a year for a offer. So, who can a Dumaya and now Banya Dumaya and Pona and Modin Man Adachi, everything I'm word here. Man Adachi, everything I'm word here. The Yami party welfare in Yami. We need to build this party. Hey! And you will some and listen. Can you believe that? I think 5 contestants now. What was it development? Obia between 4 million. 4 million because party any copy. 80 me farm 400,000. They filing 500,000. Now, no fees so good diablo. It's my fat uncle. I want to run to back the Kabu muscle. Now 4 million on the buy. Now say 4 million. I joke like no. And then Samewa made Yamama deadline. Say on the 5th, a deadline to bring my 4 million. So I have to give them 4 million. Yes. And he filed contesting as a flag bearer 4.6 million. What is this bill? They said, any other person, any group, my contractors here. And moment you know like this, what is the camera in Jimmy? No, you go better on the way. Give me some. When you want something, when Agyapong 4 years, 19 years, when you made from we are all bound at the beginning of the strangers. The year let's develop the country and develop our party. We have to create businessmen. We have to create rich people in the party. And Kabila, businessmen are creating will take over all the costs.
And to me, I say, now say, can I Japan person say, Oko fill forms, no, and Oko PK forms, no, regulations are never eka forms, no, hono. A manete and once say, after failing and submitting the forms, you have to pay additional 4 million that will go directly into the coffers of the MPP. And I'm saying MPP amanyoko no ese onisika. So the contestants no mum and our muntia 4 million and from a party no each person apart from the 100 and the 500,000 a picking of the forms and the filling of the forms. And to take any Japan so no do ontua o so oniska bi obetua sa 4 million no oniska obetua because MPP for bra obo wa ban mu no omo anche Ghana sika na amfa am MPP for enti ono de onte ase na ontua na nya ono nko a ye wo yenwia ba ko so efe no Kwabena Agyapong a ono nso no afele forms no bi engineer Kwabena Agyapong ono nso no yabona amane say aja o fele forms ni utia 100 na uko peke forms na uko submit forms na utia 500 na you have to add additional 4 million and ye direct for the development of the party. Kwabena Agyapong ti asem we wadwa wayele osion ti ase kura na one de kura po de eyetomamentu o ni buofu gidi pa Yanko te Kwabena Agyapong so nensema okaye efa sa forms we ho ye ba na ya yeden na yasan atoa so
Irish committee send your man from the set date January 31st 2026 and then send your moko file moko PK forms moko file and who says I use okay with it because none of the egosi and who show down who says today are you okay so far how the process is going?
I'm hoping say the elections committee will be
confident in them so far.
Well, I feel and all of us will police the process.
Okay.
But BBSC I know the emphata. My strong letter. Me person mu ma me muaye ansa maka ho asem. Me person ma ba bigina.
But o ma ye bibia wani anye ho nansen.
Enye mra kwan so.
Okay.
Fa party no because party no hye mra. Say wo kofa forma. Obetua 100,000.
Of course.
Say o fill it from now they kwa obetua
500,000 of course.
Kambo my 600,000. Enye sika ketwa. Even national election. Yeah, to electoral commission G 100,000.
Sure.
The party. See, I see a budget 600,000. A mood.
Okay.
But ye nyantiase ka say yes. But ne binum e pese omode kosro kese pa. Am ka say eh ade amoye. Ghana for 8 years.
Oh, you pass.
Mu yes ade message ne dey chire.
0.7.
Say MPP dey. Chance we sikani nkwa
sikani na watch me jina. Yeah.
Nti wo mo hwe bibi.
Now is it true that development fee because many honorable Aden would
and no one sem na matro
letter 44 million Ghana cedis.
They responding na party now respond.
But was there anything like that?
There's something about development fee na income booklet no and the mu say
we saw almost say the National Council is going to decide on the development fee.
The National Council has no role in fixing the fees.
Okay.
According to our constitution. National Executive Mikobi and they fix the fees no. Enti untimi mfetch the kofa fee fufuro me slapping on aspirants.
Bese ya wa file the next what you.
There be mintua BBS so me tua them National Executive ne kan no. And maturo wo mo so.
Okay.
Ti me twa wo mu aye.
Well, so at the vetting, if they say when you are development fee na they will disqualify you.
Party a starting no na me kan. Da ye koje provisional certificate.
Now can be.
Me nam form free kokomlemle. Party office no ye nyina ye take oni asempo aka ho. We young executive. And say na ye timi ato.
Okay.
Nam form na call electoral commission headquarters. And you copy Bukom Square. I see ko that yase. There is a take oni ho. Kwabena Agyapong no tiase. Hakman no nyina ka ho. And e koye. Nti say obi per development fee. Development fee by party because na nkrofo ha sitting MPs.
Okay. Yeah.
Now if you say MPs no mo share constituencies
of course.
Boane ade. Nti wo ehun say wa be ye adwuma o party no da. Now so be stand there. Na say need to development fee to the party.
Okay.
Because yes sir, obi asere so ko challenge
MP.
Na ye mo ayasom party from Masabedi mu general secretary dey. E dey any development.
So that means that untias yes there shouldn't be anything like that.
No. In fact, o say chairman Sabons. And ye wie sa meeting no o boss so say na BSK the be primaries no figures e ba no so nam say figures na e den na e kese me my general secretary da my running primaries be da minim sika involved the main year and say only police for be kasa me ne opposition me ko hu IGP alasa na me ne kasa e no say police for don Ghana bebia to the 275 polling stations e be bie no because running presidential primaries cheaper than running a congress.
Of course.
Congress they were 6,000 plus. Baby on beda, baby on beda different. Presidential primaries they said they to aba election day. Tino say I set a polling station. Police for akobo home by. Police for so much money some more party.
Of course. And
to be a stipend kakrebi na de be months home for Emma wo 4 years ejuma. Electoral commission on boxes here or that.
No.
They are statutory bodies set up to provide elections, to conduct elections in this country. Almost we know Kasai. That time, even ballot papers, I mean, the printing, electoral commission say, you triaka, more printing, and they call fine. And those are the two major costs. Better as you say, OBS can one say, see a mouse for transport. So, who civic responsibility? We a party nimapa. We a polling station executive. Near see amount voting right. So, Koko you, or flag bearer. Chelsea Scans.
Idiot scans and all.
And there's not just
That is the new normal. And then
it is wrong.
Yeah.
Until I did wrong, I don't want to identify with anything wrong like that. Until I know dear, Maka, me no more nyadwin, and I continue to fight it.
When you nyadwin say, scan on my body in the door, so and I say, yeah, test one in free
and yes, I background. And first of all,
development
party no umra. There's nowhere that the National Council is giving the authority to impose a fee on aspirants. It's not in the constitution. My constitution, many of
anyway.
It's the national executive that decides on the filing fee.
And to Sabushien, Sewutie Asema Kwabena Agyapong Ekaya. Na say he is not ready at all to pay for this amount of money that is being demanded from them. Now I'm asking, my question is, so now what is going to happen now? Say Kwabena Agyapong si ontua. Kwabena Agyapong so si ontua because MPP for timedne. MPP for senka omo the businessmen. Nanka businessmen no entume moa ema saa yemfa nse sika sema ehwa ye dene ewo party no esuntwa. And the question is that what do you think is going to happen? Now I don't understand. Adeso mo sheda na ye niamo ho adwuma bi. Abra no mo nim said that money was supposed to pay. And I say omo ankan the release MPP amanyoko no de ba ya o chire mu say after paying the 100,000 for picking forms, submitting forms that would pay 500,000 a year no. Ye would development fee be or the party national council elders, and they be decided the amount of money that you have to pay to build the party's base. Abusia, and same way more. Now, ye be kai say, Papa ye fena denimo. Papa ye fena denimo. Afi we one contested. Ye bisa say di entia, or also the other bar ye. So no de or kind. The MPP release, etin and once a year. So he decided not to contest again. Or didn't church the Mwaba, the NT and Namswa, or decided say uncontested the MPP flag bearership primaries. Yentie, na we are Samra studio, na yentre yaso de Edwin Efa Nsema Ekosuso.
General Secretary Justin Kodia issue press statement. So will be nomination 29th July no. Actually, BB say nomination form, filing fee, and then there shall be a development fee which shall be determined by the National Council.
And then I'm going to determine 4 million.
I'm saying 4 million Ghana cedis.
I will be a original BHS.
I was a Wutia.
Hey,
and he said, the cut off from 100,000, 1 billion. Mitia filing 500,000, 5 billion. Okabuma is 6 billion OCDs or 600,000 Ghana cedis. No maintenance development fee no need to disqualify me. Must me 600,000 or 6 billion so and also actually because my trade before me say a non-refundable.
Hey, on our summer okay, dear. Say, and you know, baby, moi, yeah, National Council meeting, young Kobinti, and said the name and moi, and papa,
and you have no Casaria beside Justin Kodia, on a general secretary, and our acting national chairman. And just how the Costa anymore. On our body Costa anymore, as all person would get up to Frank Canada, and no, the Otiama party in 46 billion. 46 billion, now we go to Yama party, no.
And some of our
campaign. And memu over delegates over 200,000 delegates in the 276 constituencies. No, I say ne honso so ka obebo.
Any honorable memo dibem.
Medamase. Medamase. Tiefo. Ebe hu se ni nyina ya makina so no. We ni nsemo a ewo mu. Enu nti madofo a eni mpanimfo o mu hye mi nkran nyina no. Many of my dim common home say, a who here, the air corner dear, you who free more, and winting a message agent.
And Tiabusian for Sauti any year, naturally said, Yura Francis Adenimo was very conscious when he took the forms. already ten and once say ya twerɛ sɛ wokɔfa forms na wobɛtua sɛn 100,000 Ghana cedis to the MPP party. That is wokɔtɔ forms no. Wofele forms no wie na wokɔ submit nso a wobɛtua additional 600,000. Wafiri awie no ɛwɔ sɛ wo nsan fa 4 million Ghana cedis and submit it to the party called MPP. Into not trying to say no. Now me say ade a me kan ya twere mu say me top forms epia 100. Na me fail forms ekɔ submit na me tua 500 na. I was say me nkan hu say me another charge ye 4 million. Na say sa 4 million no mantimantua ya twere say sika na amadi kan tuatua that is 100 and 500 no. Ni nyina ahye. Enti ade di mo so ono de. And I'm saying now name the amount on baby sano as a development cost no. And also there be sana tell the uncle because one here na nisika 600,000 aye day. Akwa ye day. Akwa kam and not train ho edisi ho. Na Kenya Japan ne Kwabena Agyapong there. Minim so mo share daw. So mo ankan ante ase o say they want to challenge the party o. I don't know what happened, but they went forward and they took the forms, they filled the forms, they paid for the forms, they went and submit and gave 500,000 to the party. And now they say they don't want to pay the 4 million. Yes, it's a one farmer. You be disqualify. Now you sign so at 600,000 what the kind at the ama party no. Me ma we ni asama da ho enne minim se nipa binum na ankan forms no se dey na akwakosuo. So this is what is going on today, and the MPP party, there is a fire burning in it among the potential flag bearers of the party. Enipa mienu wei e na aba abonten aba bekasa aka nipa miensa yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, ono no yente ne nka se watua o so nyentua yo, I cannot tell you. Yewia osei yaw adutwim, the former minister of education, ono so onkasa mfa ho, I can't tell you se watua o so ntua yo, I cannot tell you. Yewia Besos, ono so yakone kampo yente hwe free na no so no so watua o ontua yo yente hwe. I will make sure say I will bring you updates. I will make sure say I will go deep into this issue and find out actually what is going on there. Say me to me de ehon emuaye e de abrɛw now so what is actually going on. Enti Kennedy Japan, Kwabena Agyapong are now fighting the NEC, the NPP NEC, which is the National Executive Council, over this 4 million amount of Cedis. I was saying, Muntia and Farmer the MPP Kono. But I think, say, every organization, Biano, you were mra, you were regulations, you were emrabia, the governed organization, no. And this organization is shemra. Now we say ubu weni aguswa and I say ubu emranumanim tia. At the end of the day, your boss sign, I see your two sign. I saw them omutimi to the sign. Sana party you to me to the at the side. And to the enkakwa mean and say, any pamiri almost your muntia. Ombetu or more sign. A bit my possible and I say you're possible. So what doing ever comment section box war. But in check a Alex Adu Jamfi, me mame British in cancer, me arimi arimani you Isaac Machio ye pa, catch Rajma Machio so ye pa, fisherman Machio, me mame Esther Kibarima, one so Machio, Vivian Kuma mame, Machio ye pa, Ebenezer Oduro Machio, Alfonso. Kodua also mechiao me mama Diana Pia mechiao ye pa ena miwia ba no ma share ma me Diana ntino ma church obia enti abusue kire me wadwen e wo comment section box so can NPP overcome this issue or it is going to be something ede sabio a different misunderstanding about party them me here wadwen kire no enti kire wadwen kire no e wo comment section box so abusua we a short video bia na me am person me famra information person me famra na also TB na sha ase dwendwe ho na sha ase project in your mind say what can happen in this premise amunyina ebetumi contest ana ebinom ana ebinom asikafo binom yebeto mo assign Fisherman Kwabena Agyapong is just being unreasonable. He wants the party to rather go into the news that they haven't paid workers, so that he will rather take media to go and donate. In any case, Abusia, we and I'm the Bremo, Medin, and Mr. Mafo, me and Sapon Kofi Mwakwa, rush media. And then your first time I was bahaya, found sa AC Adomano so. Na Beka Busia Kono, so that I made the video to ma, you'll be the first person to have the notification. Sounds like I say when subscribe and was subscribe. Now Beka Busia Kono, so that be a bribiano, he ba life for Betianka. Abusia for me the moose here, na actually a sensia about the show come up. Until we meet again, as always, adios.